friends, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha, and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now today we will be discussing about opening balances in Tally ERP9. Okay, now let's see that I am having one Excel file. Okay, so this is the Excel file. I have prepared balance sheet for this particular client. Okay, now this is his balance sheet for the year 18-19. Okay, it's the financial year 18-19. And now I have to prepare his balance sheet for 2019-20. Okay, financial year 2019-20. But first of all, when we have to prepare the balance sheet for current financial year, it's very compulsory for all of us to enter the opening balances. Okay, so whatever closing balances, okay, balance sheet is as on date. Okay, so everything this balances will be his closing balances. Fine. So all these closing balances should form opening balances for current financial year. And we have to make entry for current financial year of opening balances. Okay. And in detail we have to enter the opening balances. Okay. Now let's see that how we have to enter this opening balances. Okay. Now let's go to Tally. Okay. I will create company first. Go to Alt F3 key. Create company. Okay. I will fill up all the details. Whatever is available with me for creating a company. Okay. Now the company has been created. Fine. Now go to accounts info, ledgers, and you can create the ledgers, multiple ledgers. Okay, now how you have to create? Now first of all, I will enter the details for, I'm supposed to enter the details in sequence, but I will take fixed asset first. So when you are entering details under multiple ledger option, okay, you can either select all items. It means every entry will get selected for creating or entering the opening balances. But if you select fixed asset, then just you have to enter the fixed asset only. Okay. See, the group is being selected automatically. Now just enter the opening balance. Okay. How much is the balance for electric equipment? It's 16,522.85. Even you don't have to miss out the points. Okay. Okay, even the point should be entered in detail because your opening balance will show, means your opening balance sheet will show some amount of difference if you don't take it in your points and you round it off the figures. Okay. As I have selected the group over here, fixed asset, so only my fixed asset ledgers will get selected. First of all, I would like to tell that what do you mean by fixed asset? So fixed asset is nothing but the purchases you made with the intention of using that particular asset for more than 1 year. Okay, means you have bought that item with the intention of using it for more than 1 year. That will be grouped under fixed asset. Okay, if you buy and sell it, that will form your purchase and sale because it will be your business of buying and selling. But the things which you are not buying on a regular basis and not selling it on a regular basis, but you are buying it with the intention of using it more than a year, then it will form your fixed asset. Okay. Just try to enter the fixed asset in detail. The name should be entered in detail. Okay, means if you are having TVS Jupiter, then you can either write it as TVS Jupiter or you can even give the number. Okay, the number which you are having for your TVS Jupiter. Same thing for XUV. Okay, and all, means whatever details you are supposed to give or you can give, you should give all that details. Okay, now you can see that I have entered all the fixed asset details. Okay, if you would have selected over here under group all items, you would have been able to enter all the ledgers, but now as I have selected only fixed asset, then I am supposed to enter only fixed asset. Okay, so accepted. Right? Now next is our investments. So let's create investment. I will select over here investments. Okay, first is just SBI FD. Okay, again I would like to say that enter the details, okay, minutely. That if you are having FD, then enter the name of that FD also. Okay, see, we are giving details in detail. That is known as perfect accounting if you are giving everything in detail. Okay. Fine, accepted. Now next is my cash in hand. Remember that cash is the default ledger in your Tally software. Okay, you don't have to create cash because that is the existing ledger. There are only two default ledgers. One is cash and another is profit and loss account. They are created, they are given to us Tally by default. Okay, so when you want to enter this cash in hand balance, okay, you don't have to go to create option. Okay, you can either select alter from single ledger or multiple ledger. Okay, I will select alter, then cash, and just go to opening balance and enter the details of opening balance.